If you have been wanting to create your own digital planner but don't know where to start, make sure to follow along in this video series. This is the first video where we are going to set up the size of the digital planner. So open your Keynote app and let's begin. Navigate through your iPad and let's create the Keynote file for the digital planner by tapping the plus icon in the upper right corner. Once this window appears, select Choose a Theme. I will be starting from scratch and want the background to be white, so I'm going to select the basic white. Now we are going to set up the size of the digital planner. To do that, tap the down arrow beside the name of the file. Then select Presentation Options and then Setup. On the lower part of the screen, tap the slide size and then Custom. Here I will set the width to 1200 and the height to 768. You can use other sizes here if you like, but these are the ones I recommend. Once this is set up, tap Done in the upper right corner. To truly start from scratch, I will also remove these elements here. Tap on one of the elements and once the option appears, tap the Select Objects option. Then tap the Select All option, then Delete. If you want to rename the Keynote file, tap on the downward arrow beside the name again and select Rename. So that's the first installment of the video series. Make sure you are subscribed so you won't miss the next ones. And I'm Kazel, and until then, bye!